Begin by navigating to and clicking on the quiz you'd like to adjust review options for. On the next page, click the Actions menu to the right-hand side and select Edit Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down the page and click to expand the Review Options section. The options displayed may be toggled to manage the results and feedback that students are able to review and the timing for when they may do so. Within Review Options, there are 4 checkbox lists where you may toggle on or off any specific feedback your students will be able to review as part of their results. The title above each column refers to the timing for when the selected feedback options below will apply. Each checkbox option represents the type of feedback that may be enabled or disabled under the respective timing. For example, during the attempt, or as students are actively completing the quiz, all feedback options are restricted by default, as in most testing instances, instructors will not want students distracted with real-time results as they are completing a quiz. The immediately after the attempt and later while the quiz is still open columns can be used to limit the feedback students can review upon or after completing their quiz. Review options in this last column, after the quiz is closed, will only be available in the event you have applied a deadline for when the quiz closes in the timing section. Using each column in the Review Options section, you may toggle precise feedback your students can see at the given times. By default, students may review their comprehensive results immediately after finishing the quiz. If you have enabled a Close the Quiz setting in the Timing section and would like your students to review feedback beyond this deadline, ensure that you have selected the applicable options under the After the Quiz is Closed column. For more details about what each setting entails, click the question bubbles next to the options. Next, scroll down the Settings page to the Overall Feedback section. Here, you have the option of writing your own custom feedback for the students depending on their achieved score. Enter the feedback you wish to automatically provide in the Feedback field. Click the Add 3 More Feedback Fields button, and then specify the grade cutoff to define the bottom of the range for students who will receive this feedback. In this example, all students who achieve a 90% or higher will receive the same feedback of excellent work. Using the new fields added, I have also specified that students who achieve between an 80 and 90 will automatically receive the feedback of great job. When finished, scroll to the bottom of the page and select Save and Return to Course to return to your course homepage, or click the Save and Display button to review the quiz and verify your settings changes.